have another, and it's so cute with the blue topping. Let's go ahead and open it. Wait. Now here we have a little flyer. I'm just going to put this in.
Can I see the flyer?
Now, let's put this flyer away. Let's see what the candy is. More M&Ms. Yummy. Let's go ahead and open them and see what they taste like. Yummy.
What else do you want to say to Daddy, Camille?
Let's try this one after I'm eating this one.
Do you want to say anything else to Daddy?
What does this brown one taste like? You tell me that you are not doing a video. And this one tastes like a... Why don't they have surprises? Why don't they have